Welcome to Advanced Digital Marketing course at this Kartys Digital Academy. And as you know, today is the day one of Introduction to Digital Marketing as a class. And then there's a 6 months program wherein we empower students to learn technologies which will help them build their careers, right? Which will help them get a job or start a freelance career for themselves in one of the best, upcoming markets. Now, digital marketing is in demand, and it is one of the skills that every person should have. Why? Because you will be in future more relevant if you have digital skills, and if you know technology, and if you know how to use technology, people will start looking for your skills rather than you trying to find a job, right? Now, companies all over India, all over the world, all the businesses, they need digital marketing. And they are, if you go to job portals like Naukri or LinkedIn, you just type digital marketing jobs, you'll find thousands and thousands of jobs available right now. Okay. So during this course, we'll understand the basics to the fundamentals to the level of advanced technologies, advanced tools, which will help you to build a career. Okay. And at the end of the course, we will also have capstone project wherein you will be learning how to implement your knowledge, whatever you have learned in the course, in the live project, right? Thank you again for joining. And I would like to now hand over to our guest here, our student, Basila. So you can go ahead and introduce yourself, and then talk something about yourself, and about digital marketing and your aspirations. Okay, so over to you.
Okay, well, thank you for the time. My name is Basililla, and I've appeared my sixth semester exam, and the result is yet to declare. To be honest, I don't have any experience in the field of technology, and also I don't have any experience so far. Sir, I'm hoping to learn a lot from you. Thank you.
Perfect, no problem. So yeah, welcome aboard, Basilila. So I hope that by the end of this course, you will have ample knowledge, and will help you create a portfolio which will be very strong, okay, which will set you apart from all the other peers that you have right now. And wish you all the best. Okay, I'm looking forward to being here, training, for the next 6 months, and making sure that your profile becomes stronger. Okay, so over to you, Joseph.
Sure. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you can introduce yourself. Tell me something about yourself, your education, and if you have any experience, have you worked anywhere? What was the job like, or are you studying, or what is it?
All right. Thank you, sir. All right. My name is Joseph, and I have appeared my post-graduation exam recently, but the result have yet to declare. And I have no experience, job experience. I have no experience at all. And this digital marketing is for me new to me. It's new to me, and I don't have any idea about the digital marketing.
Hmm.
So I have to learn so many things from you, sir. Thank you.
No problem. That's great. So let us understand. mm, the level of the level of experience which is needed to do this course is to do this course we need basic computer understanding, whether what is a computer, what is a laptop, how to connect to internet, all that. If that is fine, I think that should be good. All right. Now, great. It was great meeting you both, and I hope that this training will help you understand what digital marketing is all about, and then get you up to the level of where people will start following you and offering you a job. Okay. So I have given access to this sheet, Google Sheet, which I have prepared. Um, to both of you, and to all the students who will be joining this class. We will be, we'll be sharing the same Google Sheet. Now, this Google Sheet has been designed keeping in mind all the questions. as a student what you can have, right? So basically, as you can see, it's an advanced digital marketing course, right? And we have student information tab here. You can go ahead and fill up later. And then, okay, so this is, all the tabs are at the bottom. So you can see the introduction to the class, and the course, what is the course all about, and then um, in depth of Google Analytics and the terms. Okay, we'll understand all this one by one. What are important terms, and the schedule has been mentioned here. If there is any change, this is the place where you'll find the latest information. All right. So at any given point of time, if you need any update or what is happening and which level are we at, so this sheet will help you. So this sheet will give you all the information that is required, okay, about the course and how you should go about it. Okay, so please feel free. There is ample amount of opportunity given to every student. Okay, I personally make sure that I look into the profiles. I personally make sure that students are learning the technology, and I will give you the in-depth information. Plus, there'll be homework for you to finish the homework over the weekends. So Monday to Friday is the class schedule. Okay, so it will be a 1 hour class every day from Monday to Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday would be your homework days, wherein you'll be doing basic homework, which will help you understand, or implement the knowledge that you have learned throughout the week. So going forward, we have email etiquettes. Like basically in corporate world, I've seen that a lot of people struggle to have a communication, in a corporate communication in terms of verbal as well as written, right? So how to write an email, what are the etiquettes of email? I've mentioned it here, which is very important. And if you go to the next, we have WordPress. Okay, so what is a WordPress and how to start? WordPress is basically a technology where you can, without writing any code, you can make a website. Okay, how to make a website, how to do that, we will go ahead and continue with that. Okay, further in the class, right? And then blog writing. So basically, you guys will be learning the technology. Will be learning how to write. Okay, so a lot of students in the past classes as well, they have mentioned that they do not, they have never written anything, right? Not even a single paragraph. Even in school, they have just somehow, school or college, they have written something, but they have never taken up writing as such. Okay, but after, by the end of the course, now they are writing every day. They are publishing articles on LinkedIn, right? So that is a level of confidence that they have gained, because they have now learned technology. They have now learned tools on how to make writing better and better, right? So we will also incorporate a lot of artificial intelligence into the course. Okay, a lot of AI tools. So as you know, artificial intelligence is taking over, a lot of tedious work or a lot of monotonous work, repetitive work, right? So we are using artificial intelligence, to make our lives better, right? So we will be introducing you to artificial intelligence and the tools available, so that you can also start using them, okay, and become better at your skills, right? So we will discuss that later on. And SEO, what is an SEO? What is the roadmap if you want to, become a professional level at SEO? We will get into that too. And SEO guide, I have prepared this guide, which talks about every question, okay, which can possibly be given to you, okay, as an interview question, right? So everything has been mentioned here. And what are the important things that you must learn about SEO? I've mentioned that too. We will discuss all this throughout our 6 months journey together. Okay. Now, these are the important links. Now, if you see that, there are a lot of websites that I've mentioned here. So these are the links that I've researched. I've used it myself, and I find these are one of the most important websites. Okay. So if you have access to these, if you start using these, then you'll be better than 90% of the people out there, right? In who are looking for a job, something similar to your level, or who's just starting out with digital marketing, right? So first thing for us to do, Google Sheets. I hope that you guys have installed Google Sheets app on your phone. Okay, if not, please do, because we'll be using it every day. And Google Sheet is something which is a cloud-based service by Google, which is free of cost. So basically, all the sheets we can you can access it anytime on your phone. So while you're traveling or while you're away, while you're not in front of the laptop, you can still access your course material through this. All right. So I have already shared the link for the sheet. What I request you is open Google Sheet on your phone and sign in with your Google account, and then you should have the sheet with you. Okay. Now, moving forward, we have interview questions. I have prepared special questions and answers. Okay. So these are the questions and the answers, which are most likely to be, 99% of interview questions will come from here. Right. So we'll understand each and every question. We'll understand how to answer those questions during the interview, and also to understand the depth of the topic, right? So I've prepared a list of questions which will help you understand the technology better. And the more practice you do, the better you become, right? Any homework or any doubts which have to be mentioned, it will be mentioned here in this homework section. Okay. So I will every day, every week, by the end of the week, this sheet will be get updated with the latest homework that is supposed to be done. What I expect out of my students is whenever the homework is given, make sure that that homework is a part of your daily lifestyle, right? That you have to, Monday to Friday, you have to give 1 hour to learning, right? And Saturday and Sunday, you finish the homework. So while you finish the homework, that's when you learn, and that's when your brain will start thinking in those lines. Fair enough. And the next is social media. As you can see, I've mentioned everything about social media marketing and what is social media. We'll get into that and how to start social media marketing. We'll make sure that we'll get into the depths of it. Now, website project charter, like for example, when we are at the capstone project, we will tell you how to create a website. What is a project management required to create a project? Okay, this will help you in your career when you're working in a corporate world, right? So I have created this outline, so to speak, a guideline or project charter, and this will certainly help you with live projects. Now, any redesign project that we do, so we will be, I'll chalk out every pointer, and you will know exactly what needs to be done. Now, throughout the course, there'll be certain certifications that needs to be done, right? So, starting this week, you guys have to finish all the certifications. Okay. Now, these certifications are free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for the certification to anyone. Now, secondly, these you have to watch the videos, and then at the end of the video, you will have questions. So, based on the questions and based on the video, you will at the end you will have another certification exam, and you have to clear that, and you have to get the certificate under your name. Things to remember when you're doing certification: when you sign up for the certification, you have to put the name, your official name, which is as per the government records. Okay. No nicknames allowed, no no other names allowed. Okay. Please make sure that you put the name which is there on your Aadhaar card, okay, so to speak. All right. So I will share the links of these certifications when the time comes, so that you will be in a better position to clear the certifications, and then these certificates should be up on your profile. Okay. We will also discuss about previous students, previous batches, and what they are doing right now. And we will look at their profile, and accordingly, we'll make your profile match exactly to them, okay, to theirs, right? So, what is digital marketing? So, today's class, as you know, it's an introduction. So, it will be a 1 hour introduction, okay? So, we'll go through the basics and we'll understand what is technology all about, okay? So, digital marketing, okay? In simple words, okay, if you have to understand what is digital marketing, just break down the two words. One word, the first word is digital, and the second word is marketing, right? Now, you may understand the word marketing from your previous experiences, right? Life experiences, right? What is marketing? For example, if you have a business, okay? If you have a business, or if somebody has a business, okay? Now they want more customers. So what in old days, what they used to do? They used to go ahead and put an ad in the paper, right? They will mention that, you know what, I'm selling t-shirt or I'm selling food items, please come to my shop and blah blah blah, whatever, right? They'll put, okay, if you come this time and there's a 50% discount, you can come. So what happens, that ad gets printed in the paper, and that paper is now distributed all across, right? Now everybody has a copy of that. Fair enough. That is the traditional marketing, correct? There are a lot of ways marketing was done before. Now, if you look at billboards, like big boards, right, on the street, correct? Those are also traditional marketing. Why? The reason why they put such big boards is because they want people to know about the business, about the product, or about the service that they're selling, right? So that they can attract new customers. Am I making sense? Is it clear? What is marketing as of now? Just the marketing, word marketing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So basically, marketing is simple effort. Okay. Any efforts which are put by any business to attract new customers or sales. Correct. Nobody does marketing to not attract customers. Can that happen? No, right? So if I'm putting ad in the newspaper, it is expensive, right? So I have to have a budget. I will take out some money aside from the business, and I will put that money in putting an ad in the newspaper or a magazine, or I'll try to publish or print a brochure and distribute it to people. Now, for me to print a brochure, it's an expensive deal. Why? Because I have to print lots, right? Let's say I print 1,000 brochures. I have to hand over 1,000 brochures to different people, right? Now, out of that, I'm expecting at least 10 people should come as a visitor as and visit my shop, right? So that is called a traditional way of doing marketing. Now, what is a digital way of doing marketing? Digital way of doing marketing is when you use technology to put ads, to promote your business, to get new customers, to get more sales. Now, if you go to Amazon or Flipkart, right, if you search for a product, okay, and if you don't buy that product, okay, and you close the app, you will see that that same product is now showing up as different ad. Has it happened to you?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that means now they are retargeting you as a customer because you have searched for that product. For example, if there's a new Nike shoe that I want to buy, right? And I really like that shoe and I want to buy that shoe. Okay. So I went to Amazon, I'm looking for that shoe. I like the model. Okay. But I do not have the funds right now. Okay. So I'm just expecting some funds in a couple of months. So what I'll do is I'll just close it. I'll not buy it right now, but I'll just close the app and or maybe I'll put it in wish list. Correct. And then what will happen in a couple of days, I'll see the same shoe coming up as an ad. Hey, you know what? 5% discount or 10% discount. New customer, you'll get 30% discount, right? So eventually what the companies are trying to do, companies are trying to attract me with deal, right? They are now looking for me to get them interested in making sure that I end up buying the product, right? Now, who's doing that? Somebody, in the background is doing this. That is called digital marketing. Okay. So any effort which are done digitally to promote a business, okay, or for sale or service or anything, to start or launch a new product or to sell an existing product, whatever things you do, if you are doing it digitally, that means it's digital marketing, right? Any marketing effort that you're doing. Okay. So now you guys know what is digital marketing in very simple layman term. Okay. The digital marketing is any effort that businesses do to sell their products and services, right? Online. Nowadays, everything is online, right? If you want to watch, your favorite movie, it's online. If you want to watch a game, it's online. If you want to buy something, it's online. If you want to learn something, it's online, right? Everything is online, right? So now, if I put an ad online, don't you think more customers will come now? right? That is why digital marketing is growing every day. Why? Big brands like Mintra, Flipkart, Nika, okay, Amazon, they all are hiring digital marketers. They all need people who know the technology and who can increase their sales. Okay. Now, digital marketing doesn't mean that you have to start selling something. No, you don't have to sell anything in your life. Okay. Digital marketing is all about you using technology, creating ad, designing an ad, okay, and pushing that ad to the relevant customers on their on the basis of the user behavior, right? Am I clear now? What is digital marketing? Do you have any questions? Anyone? Basilila, is it clear? What is digital marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so would you be able to tell the audience what is digital marketing according to you in simple terms? So basically, digital marketing, okay, is any marketing effort that is done digitally, right? Any marketing which is done digitally, correct? Fair enough. Joseph, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see, so this is the basic of digital marketing, right? So I have a, let's say I have a t-shirt shop. I'm selling. I've got a lot of t-shirts and I'm selling it online. I want to sell it online. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to Instagram, right? I'll create an account. I'll create an account on Instagram saying that, awesome t-shirt. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll take photographs of my product, which are like t-shirts, and I'll start putting my post on Instagram, right? It happens. And then I will put keywords, important words, okay, to attract the algorithm towards, so that more and more people can see that, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll wait. I will also create reels. I will also ask my friends and my family members, or I can hire people to wear my t-shirt and then make reels and post it online, right? So more number of people will watch the video, okay, or more number of people watch the post, okay. It is more chances for me to sell the product, right? So now if I put post and if I put reels, showcasing my product, and I tell them, you know what, my t-shirt is very good quality and you're getting a good discount and this and that, and if you order now you'll get free cash on delivery, uh, free shipping, okay. So go to the link below and uh, order your t-shirt now. When you click on that link, it'll get redirected to my website, okay, where you can put your name, your address, and then your whichever product you like, and then you can ship it. A lot of people are doing that. A lot of businesses are making multi-million dollars through that. Okay, like for example, if you go to Amazon, right? If you want a product, you just search for a product. It comes, you see the price, and then you check the discount and all that, and then you order it, right? So digital marketing simply means that you are using digital platforms, okay, for your own business or for someone else's business. For example, if you join a company, okay, and let's say you join Nika, right? So Nika is into cosmetics, right? Who uses cosmetics? Do men use cosmetics? Yes, they do, very less, okay, but mostly women, right? So the main target of Nika as a brand is women. So what they will do is they'll start creating posts which will have more women put on the makeup, okay, put on the cosmetic, okay, use or give the review of the product, post it online, and then create an ad and post it online, okay, and then create more outreach. It's called an outreach, okay. So the more number of people that ad goes to, the better chances of Nika selling that product or brand of product, okay. Fair enough. Any questions? Anyone? Any questions so far? Okay, if you don't have any questions, we'll move on to the next topic, which is understanding what is what type of social media. Okay, now you'll say, okay, fine, I understood digital marketing. Okay, now how, where, and how will I get started? If for example, if I have a small business that I'm running from the house, okay, how will I reach thousands of people? Now, with digital marketing, without spending 1 rupee, okay, you can reach thousands of people. How? You can create accounts in all your social media platforms. Now, what are the social media platforms, if you ask me? Okay, so LinkedIn is one of the social media platform. So LinkedIn is basically Facebook, but only for corporate people, right? When I say corporate people, means it's a business social media. You'll find different type of profiles of different industries, and everybody goes to LinkedIn and then keep posting about their business. Okay, so we will at the end of the day, I would request all of you to create, if you don't have an account, so might as well create one. Okay, so LinkedIn is one where you can start posting and writing about your product. Second is Twitter. You can start creating posts and publishing on Twitter. Third, as you know, and I'm sure you might be using it already, that's Facebook. And fourth is Instagram, then Blogger and YouTube. So these are the ones which are mostly used across every platform or every industry. Okay, now if you have to be active on all of these, okay, to make sure that your products and services are visible to people. Okay, now globally, again, there are other social media, like for example Telegram. Telegram is also end-to-end encrypted messaging services, just like WhatsApp. Okay, now, Telegram is open source, which means it is for people and it's free. And yeah, a lot of people do use Telegram. And Tumblr is the next. Pinterest is very nice. You can create a profile in Pinterest and start making your catalog and then publishing your um, pictures, right? Pictures of your product, and then you will start following, people will start following your account if they really find your product good. And then you, again, the more followers you get, the better it is for the business, right? And then we have Reddit, Quora, Slack, and Medium. So these platforms are also very, very necessary for digital marketers, right? So I would request all of you to make sure that you have account in all of these by the end of the day. Okay, fair enough. Till now, whatever we have discussed, does it make sense? Does it sound interesting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Basilila, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Great. So eventually, so in the pursuit of finding new customers, okay, and trying to attract more followers, there are certain things that we have to do also, right? For example, you create a post on social media, and then it has become viral. Okay, now people are looking for that post. Okay, people are talking about your product. You, let's say you created a new gadget. Okay, just like, let's say you have created something which is very unique, and you put it on social media. Now everybody wants to visit your profile and wants to order. Now at the same time, you should also have a website, right, where people can go and do the transactions, right? Or you can still do transactions on WhatsApp, but with the website, what happens? It creates more authenticity, right? It creates more value, right? And it looks like a genuine business, correct? So website. So that is the reason why learning how to make website, okay, will help you in your journey. Okay, so we will learn how to create websites. So both of you will become website developer by the end of this course. Okay, so you'll be given new projects, we'll be given live projects and how to make websites. You will not believe that my previous batches, okay, people have, they have never heard of a website. I mean, they've heard of a website, but then they have never heard that they could have a code website, because they come from a completely non-technical background, right? However, after the end of the course, by the end of the course, okay, they were already making websites and they are still making websites, and it's fantastic, right? So I will share the previous work that has been done with you all. Okay, you can go and check the websites, and at the end of the website, you'll also see their names. Okay, those names you can put it on Google or you can put it on LinkedIn, and you can find their profiles. Okay, so these are the people who have earlier never created or thought of creating websites or becoming a digital marketing professional, but they have learned, and it's pretty easy, right? It's just that the way the way we conduct our class, okay, we make it very very simple. We don't use any technical words. Okay, I will try to break down all the difficult concepts into something very easy for you to understand, and then once you understand the concept, it'll always be there in your head, right? That is a power of understanding the concepts, and I firmly believe that understanding concepts will take you further rather than memorizing. Okay, you don't have to memorize any of the things, anything in this course. There will be no test, okay, to pass. Okay, there'll be no questions and answers, but there will be homework which will test your knowledge. Okay, fair enough. Now, let us now see here. So tomorrow onwards, we will start the introduction. Okay, we'll understand each and every word here. Okay, these words might look very strange and very overwhelming, but don't worry. These are something. Once you'll understand the concept, you'll know the basics very clearly, right? And these are the words that you will come across in your career every day. Okay, so in tomorrow's class we will go through all of them one by one. Okay, fair enough. And then the expectation of the class Monday to Friday is 1 hour. Okay, and they should I uh, what I request you, or what I humbly request is, please do not miss any class, because once you miss any class, although the class will get recorded, I will put it on YouTube, okay, in our channel. You can watch it. However, you will miss an opportunity to see or to ask questions live if you have any doubt. Okay, now this sheet, have you all opened this sheet? If you have not opened, just open the sheet. I've already shared the link with you. If you don't have the link, you can just check your email. You'll find an email. And please confirm if you have already opened. Okay. So, Basilila, I think I have given you the access in the morning. So, you should be getting an email, okay, from us. And Joseph, you have the sheet, right? You have the access to the sheet, right?
Sir.
Great. So, here at the top of the sheet, you can see who is logged in and who's looking at the sheet, right? So, what I want you to do every day, okay, every day from now, I want you guys to keep looking at the sheet, okay, and keep reading it. It doesn't matter whether you understand or not, okay, it doesn't matter, because I want you to get familiar with the words, okay. For example, if you go to important terms, okay, for example, these are the important terms, right? It doesn't matter whether you understand what is scripting, okay, it's a code snippet, right? But I want you to be familiar with the word scripting, okay. Like for example, Google tag. You don't really have to understand Google tag, okay, because we will cover it any which ways, but I want you guys to go through all the terms today. All right, so I think what we will do for today is the homework that you guys have, okay, for tomorrow's class. Please make sure that you go to digital marketing portfolio, and here you'll see all the social media links that I've given, right, all the names. I want everyone to create an account in all of these. Okay. Now, to do this, what you have to do is just see the word LinkedIn and go to Google and type www.google.com. Okay, you'll reach Google and just search for LinkedIn. Okay, and then you will get the link. Okay, and then just sign up with your Google account. Fair enough? Does it make sense? Any questions? Okay, so since we don't have any questions, and so that is task number one, they create all the social media profiles. Okay, and then after that, I want you guys to go to important terms. Okay, I think there are 50 terms. Yeah, 50. Yeah, I think there are 50 terms. So I just want you guys to go through each and every term. Okay, for tomorrow, and be prepared for tomorrow. Just read the words and read the definition. I've given the definition on the right hand side, and then yeah, and then we will start tomorrow, and I'll let you know how to go about it. Okay, fair enough. So any questions, Basilila?
No, sir.
Okay, and what about Joseph?
No, sir.
Great. So we will for I think it's enough for today. Too much of information already, right? So I want you to understand that by the end of this course, you will not only become a professional, but you will also be job ready, right? So you have to start preparing for interviews from now. Okay, you have to prepare for interviews from now. You have to start creating your profile, okay, from day one. So that it's quite important for you to have all the social channels available, okay, social media platforms. So please make sure that tomorrow you create all the accounts and send it to us, okay. Now, at any given point of time, if you have any questions or if you have any doubts, or if you need more help, please feel free to give us a call, okay, or message us on WhatsApp. You already have the WhatsApp number, so just message and we'll get back to you, okay. Sounds exciting? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we will end for today now, okay? And I hope to see you all tomorrow. And I hope that this session has been interesting and informative. So all you have to do is make sure that you focus on Google Sheet, and everything is mentioned which is there. And whatever instructions or whatever homework is given, please make sure that is completed. And yeah, just enjoy the process of learning. Once you enjoy the process of learning, okay, once you embrace the new technology and the knowledge, okay, nothing can stop you. Okay, so you will become successful. Great. Sounds good. Okay. So yeah, so that's about it. Before we end the class today, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for joining us, and I would also open this forum for you. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything that comes to your mind, this is the time for you to ask. Please go ahead. Basilila, you can go start first. Okay, so since there's no question here, Joseph, you can go ahead and ask if you have any questions whatsoever.
Also, regarding our class,
Hmm.
every day will be at the same timing.
Yeah, we will share the the timing and the schedule. Okay, and obviously we'll have to align you with the other batches, right? So all that information will be shared with you, and you can choose your slot. Okay, there'll be multiple slots available throughout the day, so you can choose whichever time works for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
Thank you, sir.
if you have any recommended time that you want to give, you can do that as well. You can let us know. And so after this class, by the evening, I think we will prepare the schedule and we'll send it to you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem. And any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I hope that you guys have your make sure that your laptop and your internet is stable. And if not, then you can try to connect it through a mobile and attend the class. Okay. But the practice has to be done over the laptop. Okay. And yeah. So happy learning, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining in, and
Thank
have a
you, sir.
great time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.